Bryce here from GEEKS 4x4. Just got finished installing some LED lights on the ZJ. This company was kind enough to send me some for review, and so I went ahead and installed them and wait for tonight to figure out what they really look like. But here's a little sneak preview before I get a picture of them with the light. They look bright during the day, so I'm thinking they're gonna be bright at night too. So we'll see. So I just wanted to show a quick difference. So these lights, you can see the individual LEDs, right? This is what we all think of when we think of a light bar. And these are the older ones. And these newer lights that I just put on the ZJ, they've got these interesting pods in the middle of them with a bunch of lights together. Kind of different looking. Plus I wanted to throw in there, if you are putting these on a ZJ, you can modify the stock mounts. I welded a little tab on the end and stuck them out. I ended up welding the tab underneath the mount, and I think if I did it again, I'd do it on the top of the mount so that the bolt, I actually had to put some rubber in between the bolt and the bumper so that it didn't mess up the bumper. So, but there you are. There's a little bit of difference. Bryce here at GEEKS 4x4, and we're going to do a light test tonight, and we're going to see how the new LEDs that I just put on the ZJ stack up to the LEDs that are on the excursion, and we'll see what we have. So we're going to go test them. Alrighty, so first up is the excursion. Now remember, this has a 12-inch light bar and a couple of pods on it. So I got the LJ out there for reference. It's probably 60 feet out from the front of both of these vehicles. So there is the excursion. Alrighty. And now I'm going to go over to the ZJ. And there is the ZJ. For just two 7-inch light bars, I'm actually pretty darn impressed with these different looking. They got different pods in them. I will shoot a video of the front of them a little bit better. So, but that's the light output. See the nice full moon night. So there we go.